Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In JavaScript, backticks can be used to create template literals, which allow for easier handling of strings that contain single or double quotes. This is especially useful when you need to escape single or double quotes within a string. Here's a tutorial on how to escape single or double quotes in JavaScript using backticks. 1. Using backticks to create template literals. Template literals are enclosed by backticks, and placeholders are indicated by $. This allows you to include variables or expressions within the string. 2. Escaping single quotes within a template literal. To escape a single quote within a template literal, you can simply include the single quote without any special characters. 3. Escaping double quotes within a template literal. To escape a double quote within a template literal, you can again include the double quote without any special characters. 4. Using backslashes to escape quotes. If you need to escape quotes within a regular string, not a template literal, you can use backslashes, before the quotes. In conclusion, backticks in JavaScript provide a convenient way to create template literals that allow for easy handling of strings containing single or double quotes. You can use backticks and placeholders to include variables or expressions within the string, and simply include single or double quotes without any special characters to escape them. Feel free to experiment with the examples provided to get a better understanding of how to escape quotes using backticks in JavaScript.